In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in system restore. Best result should come back with create a restore point. Go ahead and select that and then select create. Please note if create is grayed out, you may have to configure system restore first by then turning on system protection and then select apply and OK. And then you can select create. Name this restore point something you'll be able to easily remember. So I'm just going to name it, the day of the week or before you perform that action. That is the whole reason you're creating the restore point to begin with. Select create to go about actually creating it and then just give us a moment to set up. And it was created successfully. Close out of here. And if you open up System Restore, you can go about restoring back to that point just by selecting it and then the next option to proceed. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope those will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.